Alright, so let's see example 7 first. Okay, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Determine the angles, not the other side, guys. It is angles. Okay, so angle QPR means you need to find the angle P, and PRQ means you need to find this angle. Okay, so let's solve this. So what is given? Given is PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. You need to find the given. You need to write the given first. As soon as you see the question, write the given. Okay. Okay. So if you guys think you need to find this side, then it is not needed. You are going to find the angles, and we can do that simply by using our trigonometric ratios. Okay. So these both are given. Okay. So we can find first angle R. Okay. So you can find PRQ is equal to, okay, you can just write angle R for that. Okay, so what is angle R? So this, with respect to angle R, this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse, right? So you have both of these, so it is opposite and hypotenuse. So you can write sine R is equal to, opposite is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. So it is 3 divided by 6. So it is 1 by 2. So sine R is equal to 1 by 2. So from this chart, okay, sine some angle is 1 by 2. So what is that angle? It is 30 degree. So you can write angle R is equal to 30 degree, or angle, what was that, PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Okay, similarly you can find for 60 this angle. Okay, because with respect to P, this is opposite. Okay, I'll draw it here so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, so this is P, Q and R. Okay, so this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. With respect to angle P, that is QPR, which is angle P. Okay, this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse, right? So you guys can use cos P, right? So what is cos P? It is PQ divided by PR, right? So it is PQ is 3 centimeter and PR is 6 centimeter. So it is again 1 by 2. But here it is different. So it is cos P. So cos should be 1 by 2. Cos should be 1 by 2. So it is 60 degree. Okay. So therefore angle P is equal to 60 degree, or angle QPR is equal to 60 degree. So you found all this angle. Okay. So let us solve the question 8 here itself. Okay. So this question is a little different. Okay. Not difficult. It is different. So if sine of A minus B is 1 by 2 and cos of A plus B is 1 by 2, such that A plus B, the sum of angle A and angle B, is greater than 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. Also, angle A is greater than angle B. We need to find angle A and B. Okay. So let's solve this. Right. So the first thing which is given is sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So for which angle the value of sine is 1 by 2, guys? For 30 degree, no. So if you consider this as single angle, okay, so the sine of that angle is 1 by 2. So you guys can write A minus B is equal to 30 degree, right? Since A minus B, the subtraction of this angle is 30 degree, that's why sine 30 is 1 by 2, right? So you can write it as equation 1. Okay, another is cos A plus B is equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, so for value of 60 degree, cos, well, cos A is 1 by 2, or cos of that angle is 1 by 2. So you guys can write A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So if this is 60 degree, then only cos A plus B will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So you guys have both these angle, and I hope you guys know how to solve the two equations, right? So from 1 and 2, A minus B is equal to 30 degree and A plus B is equal to 60 degree. You don't have to change the signs of this, because already you can cancel B. Okay, plus B minus B is equal to 0. It gets cancelled. So this is addition, right? So A plus A is 2A, right? This is also addition. Okay, so this is 0, this is 9. Okay, A is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. So this 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this is angle A is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and you can use the equation 1 by using equation 1. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, by using equation 2, because it is very simple, right? You don't have to get too complicated. Okay, so what is B? B is 60 degree minus A. Okay, so you are going to send A on that side. The sign will become minus. So 60 degree minus 45 degree. Substitute the value of A. So this is, I think, 15 degree, right? So 60 minus 45. This is 5. This is 1. So 15 degree. B is 15 degree. So guys, you found angle A and B, and I hope you guys can see that they satisfy the value. Okay, first thing is angle A is greater than B, because 45 is greater than 15. Okay, and also the sum of those both angle, that is 60 degree. Okay, it is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So we are done with the examples. Okay, so we are going to solve problems tomorrow. Hopefully we can do it in few videos only, but let's see, we can do it. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching my videos, guys. Please, if you guys have any doubts or any other problem, please email me at nastutorials at the rate nastutorials 2021 at the gmail.com. I'm very sorry, I do get wrong sometimes, but forgive me for that. And have a nice day. Happy mathematics, guys. Take care.